Anytime now. 1,100 meters. Gates open, they're up and racing. Lasting Rose draws for your lead. Running by the rail, Ice Storm, then followed by Fantastic J. Next in line, Arrowhead. Sabuhin is the early trailer. Heading towards the half mile pole. Lasting Rose, Ice Storm down on the inside. Then racing in third, Fantastic J. Arrowhead down in fourth, then followed by Sabuhin. As they rounded the 600, Lasting Rose still leading the field. Ice Storm remains in second. Fantastic J now trying to get closer on the outside as they race for home. It's Lasting Rose just in front. Moving up now on the outside, Fantastic J. And down the stretch they come. Another horse of Mr. Eddie Gonzalez now takes command from the outside. Fantastic J this time by about a length and a half. Lasting Rose shuffle back in second. And finally, Fantastic J. Lasting Rose, Ice Storm, Sabuhin, Arrowhead comes in last.